Good morning, YouTube. Guess what time it is? It is 4:22 a.m. and I'm up. I actually have a lot of energy for 4:22 a.m. But yeah, we have to leave for a flight at like 4:45, 4:50. So our flight's at 6:45. So yeah, I'm up early. We're going to New Jersey. Should be litty as a titty. The fit of the day today. Got a Playboy jacket, some black shorts, Crocs. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Like, comment on the video, and let me know what other ideas I'm gonna do for my next YouTube videos. Alright, for the people wondering, in this next clip, I am at Buckle. We don't have any Buckles on the West Coast, or like, I think not on the West Coast. Definitely not in California where I could go to. So we had to stop at this Buckle because I found out I was on the front cover of one of their like magazines for their clothing. I did a shoot with them a couple months ago, but it was just really sick to see I was on the cover, and you guys will see that right now. You made it just as a pitch hitter? Wait, that's possible. Six. He has to make this to get 7. Alright, last night we couldn't make that 7, but this is the next day of the trip, so here you go. What's up, guys? I got a stick of bacon. I already ate like all of it, but it's pretty good. It's like drenched in syrup. It's probably 10 out of 10. It's the best bacon I've ever had. That was the wrap on day 1. Here comes day 2. Also, I'm very sunburned, so don't question the what's it called? The shirt that you wear, that you can wear in the water that doesn't get you sunburned. A rash guard. There you go. So don't question it.
at Springer's
Where are
Ice
we?
Cream. The logo is not on the cup, but the blue one, it's a 10 out of 10. It's pretty good. We have it back home though. It's called the Cookie Monster, but yeah, it's alright. It's alright.
Day 2 has come to an end, but now day 3 is starting, and day 3 was actually sick as, you know, we did a lot of cool things today. This is my first time wakeboarding, so that was kind of sick. But here you go.
So watch me here. Try to straighten up like this. Bring your hip forward, your hip forward. There it is, there it is, there it is. That's great. Awesome. Good job.
How fast is your fastball?
I don't know. It was like 80, but we'll see if I can beat it. I don't think I'll make it 76.
Jason's got 57.
No, I got 62. Oh, that's what.
Alright, that machine, or whatever I just did, that baseball thing, that's so false. So false. I'm not throwing 70 or 68, bro. No shot. No shot. I'm throwing that slow.
3. Hold on.
I don't really know what day this is, but on to the next day, which is pretty fun because we go actual golfing, and then I think we go mini golfing the same day, which is amazing. So yeah.
I think you just have to hit it as hard as you can. That's honestly what I did. Hey, can I get a wedge on this hole? Oh, back in.
Oh, that was awesome. You worked so good to get a 3 on this one.
Okay, play this song. 4. Oh! Like, I couldn't hit my ball. Wait, are we allowed to just readjust our ball? To
Now he's at a 5.
I couldn't hit it because my thing. I couldn't hit my thing. Mine was against the wall.
6, 7. Crane, attempt your first shot balancing on one leg.
Hand to the ball. Only use my hand. Not bad. Alright, after this was a long game of mini golf, so I'm gonna show the highlights of like the best shots that we shot and then who won the game. So yeah. Play from where it lies, Dad.
Where it lies, Dad.
Yeah, where it lies. Lies, so.
Chase, what'd you just get?
One. Big sound, bro. You got it.
There it is. There it is.
Oh! The results are in. In 5th place, shooting 8 over par, is Dad. 4th place, that's 7 under, and only beat 5th place because of the last hole-in-one on the 18th was me. There was a tie for 2nd at 4 over between Chase and Mom, which means the winner with a 3 over par of Go Fish Mini Golf is blakeXmanning. Oh, thank you, yeah, mini golf champion. Alright, can I have my crown? I don't have a crown. I won mini golf. They all didn't shoot that good, but I did. But, you know, it was a fun time.
Highlights?
Highlights were all my shots, pretty much highlights. We got Dylan with a hole-in-one and Chase with a hole-in-one.
Chase?
What? It was a very close race.
It was a close race. It was
Mom
tough.
was actually winning.
I thought Mom was
a
gonna
couple
beat
holes
me,
to go.
So.
And yeah, that sums up the trip to New Jersey. But stay tuned for next week's video because we're doing a part 2 to this trip, and I'm now in Philly. I'm editing the video in Philly right now. Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on the video. Turn on those post notifications to stay notified every time I post a video. But yeah, just subscribe, like the video so I know you guys like the content, and comment down below what video I should do next. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed.